How to integrate Zoom with Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Go to Apps Marketplace, open Monday.com, click your profile, and navigate to the Apps Marketplace. 2. Search for Zoom integration, type Zoom in the search bar, and click on the Zoom app from the results. 3. Install the Zoom app, click Install and grant the necessary permissions to connect Zoom with Monday.com. Create a Zoom automation, go to Automations and set up a rule like, when a meeting is scheduled, create a new task. 5. Add meeting details to tasks. Customize the automation to include Zoom links, meeting times, and attendees in new tasks. 6. Enable meeting notifications. Set reminders, so team members get alerts when a scheduled Zoom meeting is about to start. 7. Test the integration. Schedule a test meeting to ensure Zoom syncs properly with your Monday.com board.